Welcome back at LAKIOO. Now that you understand how the LAKIOO ecosystem works, let's continue with the next step and start setting up the system with LAKIOO. To get started, open your web browser and visit lakio.com. Click to try for free and fill this form. Click Download free demo. Once the download is complete, run the installer. After the installation is finished, LAKIOO Creator will be automatically launched. Now enter your license key and click Activate. From the main screen, create a new project. Drag and drop background widgets. Choose from preset color. Now drag and drop image widget and drag and drop picture. Drag and drop now text widget, double click and write. You can adjust font, size, and color, alignment, and other visual properties. Adjust the location of the widgets. Now, before publishing, let's take a quick look at scheduling options. Scheduling allows you to define when your content should be displayed. Click Next Step to publish. Select the destination USB drive. Choose internal storage and click Publish. LAKIOO will generate the project package and copy all necessary files to the drive. Once the process is complete, safely remove the USB device. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first LAKIOO project and published it to a USB drive. In the next lesson, we'll install and configure LAKIOO Player and load the published content onto the screen.